How to create an Instagram page. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can create an Instagram page. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is you will need to open up your Instagram. After you open up your Instagram, you can head over to your profile on the bottom right. Now long press on your profile, and after you long press on it, you will see add an Instagram account. If you tap on it, you will then be able to create a new account, which will be your Instagram page. Now, all you got to do is just, create an account, choose a username. And after you choose a username, you can just, get recommendations from here. Tap on next. And after doing that, you can just create a password instead, or you can just share logins with your private account. After doing that, you can tap on allow and complete the sign up. After you complete the sign up, you now have just created an Instagram page in under 2 minutes. Now this finishing up might take some time depending on your internet speed, so just wait for it, and after it's done, you can start posting and promoting your Instagram page. And that's basically how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.